We're here with RPG Show Lifestyle once again. Loving the box as usual. It's the same design. So that's the wig. This is a little invoice, with the information of the wig. I got a wig cap. I got, the usual, the magazine, and a thank you card. And I got 2 bags today. So you had that drawstring bag and then the zipper bag. So this is the wig that we're working with. It's a gorgeous glueless silky like body wave bob wig. It's 14 inches long now. It's of a 1B color, as you can see. It's pre-plucked, and this is a tinted transparent Swiss lace, and it's tinted to medium brown. It looks so good, already pre-bleached and all that stuff, so you don't have to do all of that. Inside looks it has 3 combs on the inside and extra adjustable, an adjustable strap in the back and extra elastic band if you want more security, because it's a glueless wig, so that extra security is always needed. So it says glueless, and I'm here to give you one more of these tutorials where I'm not going to be using any adhesive to lay this. Okay, now I'm just cutting away this small portion and showing you guys this. Look at that. It is so undetectable. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, guys. You don't need to go in and pluck this anymore. It's plucked to perfection. It looks very realistic. The gradient is not too deep. So I love that. It looks really, really good. I'll say for the ear portion here, if it is, you feel like it's not laying as flat as you want, you could go ahead and just tap a little bit of got to be like on the very ear port, like the sideburns, if they're not laying as flat as you'd like, and you can go about your day. So yeah, but like no adhesive. Look at that gorgeousness. No adhesive. It looks so good, and this is so quick. But yeah, this is a quick video. Like, I'm just running my hands through it. The hair feels so good. As I say, it's a silky body wave texture, and I love the fact that this came pre-styled. I just went in on the top there and laid it a little bit more so the front could frame my face a little bit better in terms of how the curls were falling a little bit, and just take a moment to just look at this. Look at that meltdown, which, like, this is how it came. We didn't have to apply any product to make it melt and look this way. The lace is just really nice. So I give it to RPG Show Lifestyle once more for another bomb glueless wig. Like, it's amazing. Now, if you see, when I turn my head a little bit, you can see a little bit of a cast. So you can feel free to go in and just tap a little bit of makeup on that if you please. But I personally sometimes I put makeup on it, but I try for the most part to not put makeup on my lace that much these days. And I really like how this is looking. It is a 10. It's a 10. Alright guys, so that is it for this wig. You see, it's completely glueless. Absolutely no product. It blended in so nicely. RPG Show is one of those companies, as you can see, they offer quite a bit of like glueless wig options. Literally, you could go ahead and glue this down or use Got2b if you want, but I'm showing you guys that you can go ahead wear this without using any adhesive whatsoever. That's it, and I love the effortless beachy bob vibe. It's really nice, and I love how they make their wigs come pre-styled and everything. They make life just way more like easy, so like that's really good. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link as well as the specifications as usual in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.